Ka Embee Rosebud Higher Secondary School, Tura, kalale kemen naga jingjom jengi khynnah pule jongka hakaba Vishal Kumar ulayo banban yaka kyrdan gaba ar haka Eksamin Sslc naga jingyo sanspa nyupun remarks haba panpau yaka jingsngew kemen Vishal loong ba ula sngew hon yaka ni jingjom jongu bad ula a yaka burom shakinong hikai bad kikmi kikpa naga banta ga jingtrai shitom bad jing ai min sim jongki.
It's a great achievement for me, and I feel really happy. I'm very excited that I've been able to produce this result. So yes, all my hard work was worth it, and I'm really happy. At the beginning, I did not have a plan, but as my exams approached closer, I started taking my studies more seriously, and I made sure that I'm studying consistently for even 1 or 2 hours with my full focus. So the advice that I would like to give all my juniors is that uh, work hard and be consistent. You can start small, but those small efforts can yield big results.
अच्छा लग रहा है बहुत। हमको उतना पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है, भरोसा था कि मेरा बेटा कुछ करे, इसलिए मैं इतना मेहनत करके किया। हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और मैम का भी हेल्प है। और आगे मैम क्या बोल रहे हैं, क्या करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, वो ही जाने में पढ़ाने के लिए। हमें बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत मेहनत करता था पढ़ने के लिए, रात रात भर जाग के पढ़ता है।
तो अच्छा लगा है और मेरा सुन के मेरा कैसा इतना लगता था ना, क्या बोलेगा, रोना आ गया हमको, खुशी का रोना। और पढ़ने में बहुत अच्छा है वो, और बोलता है क्या वो खाना पीना उसको नहीं आगे चाहिए, इसको पढ़ना चाहिए। और रात दिन पढ़ाई 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 ऐसे करके कर रहा था ना। और क्या बोलता है, स्कूल से बहुत हेल्प उसको मिला है।
Haba panpau yaka jingkemen ka bajur principal James Noxeng G moment ula ong bagani ga jingjom kan ai min sim ki khynnah ki ban saya khun yaka examen bandang le khamba shushu.
Overwhelmed by his results. I'm very happy, and I'm very lost for words right now. Our school has had a record of producing a few toppers every year almost, and from previous years the toppers have been an inspiration for the juniors, and this year also is no different. Our student who got into the top 20, it is our hope that he will inspire his juniors as well as other students of the region to do well in their studies.
Hakawe Pataliang ka Pechon Sangma Memorial Police Public Secondary School Tura kalala banpau shukman naga jingla ban le bha hakaba ki laingot ki khynnah pule jongka kilala yo banban iki kyrdan hakathum ki babun marks ka Prinita Das kalayo ika kyrdan balai da sanspa nyusan marks utusha Das ika kyrdan ka bakhatwei barka Pragati Gupta ka baban ika kyrdan ka bakhatpra.
I'm feeling very grateful and very happy to stand here today. I didn't expect this result actually. It is just only because of the teachers and my parents for supporting me. My teachers, they helped a lot. I would like to dedicate this to my parents too. They have supported me. They have always been with me through thick and thin. And I would like to give the credit to my teachers for always supporting me, helping me, and believing in me. They have helped a lot from childhood till now. And I would like to thank to God for His blessings today, and I hope so. I also do well in the future.
It was a complex journey. Okay, sometimes it was feeling that means I was have a mindset that we have to do, yeah. And to do that I have done the hard work, and finally I have not expected that much, but I have achieved it actually with my hard work and design. Moreover, we should see consistent in our journey, and that's the thing we can get this result.
I just studied like 4 to 6 hours, but with full focus and consistency. That is what I will pursue my career in. First, I will go with science, and I want to become a doctor, and then I will think whatever. I want to tell them that hours did not matter. It is their hard work and consistency. If they studied for like 4 to 6 hours also, that is also enough, but with full focus and consistency.
U principal ka school ubes wajit na ulapan pau ya ka jingsngew kemen ka bakraw halor kani ka jingjom da ka ba ong bakini ki laingun ki khynnah pule ki layoban ya ki kyrdan hakathom top 20 ka bapan pau ya ka jingtrai shitom jong ka school ban ai ya ka chaka pule puthi ka babha.
We are very proud. After long back, we have achieved this one. Last time during the COVID we have done it once. And thereafter, every year, our students used to just reach on the merit list, but for a few marks they set back. So this time they have done very well. Expectation always there. We always keep an expectation. This year also we have kept expectation, and children has done really very well. We are very proud of them, and I congratulate them and their parents and all the teachers who has given their full effort.
Ka jingla ban le bha jong kini ki khynnah kam ban ra jing ithu tangi ka skul henrei kala pan paru ka jingla pan nang ki jong ki jaka pule hat Tura ka ba ai min siam ru ya shipun ngot ki khynnah ban ang no chu shu kham shi jrong ha kini ki sinam ban wan. Bureau report DD News Meghalaya.